Corporate entrepreneurship could save your company during these economic downturns. It helps with employee retention, it creates a culture of contribution, and also helps management discover inefficiencies that could lead to cost savings. I'm Melanie Rae, founder of Plan with Peers, and I'm excited to share our guided 4 Steps to a Yes workshop that empowers employees to present their ideas in 60 seconds. Imagine how fast your meetings will go if you have people present in 60 seconds. We teach them a framework that can be utilized in many different scenarios. This is ideal to have offered or to offer it in ERG groups, employee resource groups, as well as within individual departments. With our 7 different variations, they're able to discover ways to tailor their messaging so it appeals to their decision maker. What it is, the facts behind it, who they are, and what needs to get done to make it happen. I invite you to host a complimentary demo to experience this for yourself, how we can help you discover inefficiencies and innovation at your organization.